Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. You're watching SST Edupedia. I'm Assistant Professor Varsha Savlani. In this clip, we are going to understand the concept called Maslow's theory of motivation. Maslow's need hierarchy of motivation is given by Abraham Maslow in the year 1943. He is an expert. He has given that the basic need, the hierarchy which the individuals required in their regular life as well as in their professional life is utmost important. So the Maslow's need hierarchy theory comprises of 5 basic needs which every individual required. There are the 5. This diagram is a pyramid. The very base is the basic needs like physiological needs. Then second is safety needs. Third is social needs. Fourth, esteem needs. And fifth is self-actualization. This is how in a pyramid shape Mr. Abraham Maslow in the year 1943 has given this theory. Let's look one by one what these factors explain us. So Maslow's need hierarchy theory, in this theory, the first factor is physiological needs. The physiological needs are the very basic needs of individuals like food, clothing, okay. These are the drinking water. These are the very basic necessities which every individual is required. Now, we are talking about the HR, we are talking about the human resources. Now, at workplace, which are the physiological needs which every employees are required? Like physical comfort, a good temperature, good working conditions, then lunch breaks, bathroom facilities, ergonomics. That is, wherever they are sitting, the chairs, the desks should be comfortable as per their requirement. So at workplace, the physiological needs are nothing but the basic comfort zone. A good working condition is expecting by the employees towards a company. Talking about the second need of which Abraham Maslow has given, once the physiological needs has been accomplished, the next level of the need which required by each and every individual are safety and security. If we talk about in general, the safety and security comprises of we being an human being, we required a good home to stay as well as a money to live. So talking about the HR perspective, at the workplace, the safety and security needs are nothing but job security. The safety of the workers, those who are working in front of the machineries, the protection like helmet, fireproof jacket, hand gloves, gumboots, all these are the safety precautions which factories need to give to their workers, those who are in contact in the machineries. Then job securities, their job should not be on a temporary basis, their job should be on the permanent basis, so that every time they should not feel hesitate to give the suggestions to the management. Then seniority, it should not be like it's as per the seniority. If an employee has spent so many years in the same organization, the organization should also have a trust, have a promotion to those employees. Then money factor, obviously every employees are working to earn a good amount of money. Then retirement plans. Now, as earlier the government was giving the pension, okay, but nowadays it's after 2015 is not allowed. Apart from that, the companies need to give the provident fund or other benefits for the retirement plans. Talking about the next step, next ladder in the hierarchy is social or belongingness. Once the physiological needs are been accomplished, safety and security needs are been accomplished, the next in the ladder is social or belongingness. If we talk about in the personal life, every individual wants love, affection from their family members, from the peer groups, and they want to work in a team. They want to work together in the family. Talking about at workplace, each employee want to have a good relationship with the co-workers, good relationship with the supervisors. They work in a team. They are the part of team because together everyone achieves more. So none of the employees in the organization are working in isolation. Every employee is part of the team. The team efforts need to be put, they should be placed in a good team. Fun activities, social events, this is what the expectation of human beings wherever they are working. Not only just work is there, but like they should have the fun activities also at their workplace. Talking about the fourth ladder, which is too difficult for many of the people to reach at this level, is esteem or ego needs. Talking about in personal life, there are the two factors which are describing in the esteem or ego needs. One are the internal, another one are the external. Internal, that is the confidence which we have to do the things whatever we want, the ambitions we want to achieve in our life, the goals. Okay. External factors, like we as an individual, we want that people should recognize us. External factors are nothing but कि सामने वाला पर्सन हमें आइडेंटिफाई करे who we are, at what place we are working, what is our designations. So we require a very luxurious things in our life. That's esteem needs. At workplace, if I say, the career development, opportunities for the growth and advancement, promotions, a good job titles, recognitions, perks from the companies, training and development sessions, positive feedback on the performance. This is what the employee expect when that person reaches at the esteem or ego needs when they are working at a higher levels in the organization. The last level, which is very rare person reaches at this level, called self-actualization. Now, self-actualization means the individual is able to achieve the set goals in their life. Whatever they have set, the goals, ambitions, now it's time to reach those goals. Very rare population reaches at top level called self-actualization. Talking about at workplace, the work should be meaningful, the sense of satisfaction should be there, accomplishment, self-improvement, then improving the others as well as in the society. That is what at workplace the employees are expecting. So be all what you can be to reach at this level called self-actualization. Okay. These all are the 5 needs which Maslow's hierarchy, Abraham Maslow has given in the year 1943. Thank you for watching.